Hi everyone, this is Lisa and I'm back with another challenge that I did. And again, I used the preserved paper by DCWV. And I made another little purse. This has a bow on the front. It has some little doilies and the buttons on it. And this challenge was for Katzel Creates. It's Kathy. She wanted a Memdex and an ATC. And Kathy, I'm sorry I'm getting this out to you late, but so this is what I made. I made these really pretty bows from the paper collection. Here's some more bows that I made. I made her these little flowers. Some little embellishments. And here's a couple more little embellishments that I made. Sorry for the glare. And this is the bag topper for the ATC. And I also made her a card. And this is the ATC. It just says "Believe" here. Put some roses down here, and hung a charm off of here. Used one of the girls from the sticker pack from Hobby Lobby. Put some angel wings behind her, and put this bling. And this just closes with Velcro. And my information goes on the inside. And then this is the ATC I made, and it's just like the memory decks. It's one of the girls from the sticker pack. It's just a different angel wing. And this says "Believe" as well, with some roses and a different angel charm and some bling there. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.